Discover the ultimate space-saving solution for your fitness journey with the best folding exercise bikes. Engineered for convenience and efficiency, these innovative bikes offer a compact design without compromising on performance. Perfect for small spaces, apartments, or home gyms, folding exercise bikes are versatile and easily stored when not in use. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding exercise bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience high-intensity workouts with the Pooboo X89. Ranked as the number 5 best folding exercise bike, this versatile machine offers a 4-in-1 functionality that caters to various fitness needs. Its upright position intensifies calorie burn, while the semi-recumbent posture ensures a comfortable, low-impact ride. Unlike other models, the X819 features a thoughtful addition, an arm resistance band system, to engage upper body muscles for a comprehensive workout. Equipped with a convenient bottle holder within arm's reach, hydration is easily maintained during rigorous cardio sessions. The bike's compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, and its foldability allows for effortless storage when not in use. With transport wheels, moving it around your home gym is a breeze. Crafted from durable steel, this bike boasts stability and can support up to 300 pounds. Its triangle structure guarantees safety during intense workouts, catering to users ranging from 4'11" to 6'3" in height. Plus, with 8-level adjustable magnetic resistance, you can customize your workout intensity. Priced affordably at $159 and backed by a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Meet the Yosuda Exercise Bike, ranked as the number 4 best folding exercise bike on the market. This versatile equipment offers a 3-in-1 workout experience, allowing users to engage in upright, recumbent, and arm resistance band exercises, catering to various fitness needs and maximizing muscle engagement. One standout feature is its hyper-quiet ride, ideal for shared spaces. Utilizing a non-contact magnetron system for resistance, this bike ensures a noise-free workout environment, courtesy of its innovative interior design. Designed to accommodate users of all fitness levels, from beginners to seasoned athletes, the Yosuda Exercise Bike boasts 8 resistance levels. Thanks to high-density composite magnets, the resistance remains challenging over time, eliminating the need for frequent upgrades. Comfort is prioritized with an oversized seat cushion and anti-slip pedals, enhancing stability and support during workouts. Priced competitively at $160. Discover the Pleny 3-in-1 folding exercise bike, crowned as the number 3 best folding exercise bike for a reason. Priced at a reasonable $179, this marvel of fitness innovation brings tranquility to your workout regime while eliminating pesky noise troubles. Say goodbye to the cacophony of clunks and clatters. With cutting-edge magnetoresistive technology, each pedal stroke becomes a whisper, akin to the turning of a page in a serene library. But that's not all. Pleny caters to your fitness journey with 16 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, ensuring a progressive challenge tailored to your prowess. And comfort? Luxuriate in the plush, big sofa seat cushion, providing a spa-like experience for your posterior and making every ride a delight. Track your progress with the multi-function LCD, offering a plethora of data to sculpt your workout routine scientifically. Plus, with a built-in multifunctional stand, the bike seamlessly transitions from fitness to entertainment. And when it comes to customer satisfaction, Pleny stands tall. With a dedicated support team, your journey to a healthier, happier self is not just a goal but a shared mission. Introducing the Lanos workout bike for home, ranked as the number 2 best folding exercise bike. Say goodbye to inconvenient gym trips and hello to your personal fitness sanctuary right in your living space. This premium 2-in-1 exercise bike boasts a range of features designed to enhance your workout experience. Equipped with a convenient phone holder, 10 levels of magnetic resistance, and an LCD screen to monitor your progress, it's the ultimate fitness companion. Experience the tranquility of an ultra-quiet ride thanks to its precision-balanced flywheel, ensuring minimal noise disruption to your surroundings. Assembly is a breeze, taking only 20 to 30 minutes with comprehensive instructions and a bonus instructional video included. Transform your body and lifestyle with just 30 minutes a day on this exercise bike. Burn calories, tone muscles, and boost your cardiovascular health, all while enjoying your favorite activities like watching TV or chatting on the phone. Priced at $200 US. Say hello to the Lyke X Bike, a revolutionary solution for effective exercise without sacrificing space or comfort. Priced at just $156 US, it's a cost-effective option for anyone looking to burn extra calories while enjoying their favorite TV shows or music at home. The Lyke X Bike's advanced folding frame design and multiple seating positions optimize space utilization without compromising on workout quality. In just 40 minutes, you can burn 300 to 400 calories, equivalent to 1.5 hours of jogging. This efficient calorie burn targets fat across the arms, thighs, abdomen, and hips, helping you shed excess weight and alleviate the stresses of the day. Its foldable and movable design makes storage a breeze, allowing you to tuck it away against a wall when not in use, freeing up valuable space in your home. Plus, with its magnetron resistance system, you can exercise with peace of mind as it minimizes knee strain and operates quietly, ensuring you won't disturb your neighbors. Don't hesitate to invest in your health and well-being with the Lyke X Bike. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.